Alright, so here we have a 2019 Jeep Grand Cherokee. This is the limited edition, and we're going to be replacing this little chrome trim piece right here. This is part of the step cover for the trunk. To start off, we're going to pop the trunk. Alright, so first we're going to put the screwdriver in between right here in the chrome piece and the plastic, and we're just going to lift up these little tabs. Boom. Next part that my wife found out is we're just gonna pull towards us. It just slides right out. No prying, no nothing. Just gonna wiggle it. There it goes. Boom. Now we're gonna clean out all of this.
Just don't put it up too much.
You don't want to rip those clips in the back. You want to just keep this here. You only want to remove the front clips. And now, the new piece is going to slide exactly the same way. You're going to put it on and just slide it in. There's 2 clips in the back that you got to attach it to. Popped in nicely. That looks great. And then in order to pop these in, you either want to use your fingers or a plastic tool. The only thing we could find, either plastic or rubber, we're going to use the back of these electrician's pliers. And let's see how that works out. We just don't want to damage or scratch the new chrome trim. That's gonna look like that. Let's close it, see what she looks like. Beautiful. That's what the damaged one looked like. It was just peeling that chrome. Or the chrome was peeling off the piece right here. Easy fix. This cost about 70 bucks. I'll screenshot it in the video, and then I'll link it at the bottom of the video.
في أكبر الكتب